Hi creators! Welcome to a revolutionary solution in the world of learning management systems. Are you looking for a seamless transition from LearnDash to LearnPress or vice versa? Look no further. LdashPress is here to simplify your migration process. Many educational institutions and businesses face the challenge of migrating between different learning management systems. Whether it's the need for more features, a change in budget, or simply a desire for a different user experience, the process can be daunting. Introducing LdashPress, the ultimate plugin designed to effortlessly migrate your courses, lessons, topic, quiz between LearnDash and LearnPress. With LdashPress, you have the power to choose the LMS that aligns perfectly. Whether you're moving from LearnDash to LearnPress or vice versa, our plugin handles the entire migration process with precision and care. Let's take a look at some of the key features that make LdashPress the go-to solution for LMS migration. Note that, to migrate LearnDash to LearnPress, you should have a minimum section title in your LearnDash courses. It's important to note that installing both LearnDash and LearnPress plugins on the same website is not recommended. Doing so may lead to conflicts and compatibility issues. You can see we have 10 LearnDash courses in our course list. Install your plugin. Now, go to Settings and click LdashPress Settings. To migrate from LearnDash to LearnPress from your LearnDash enabled website, you need to click the Export button. It will download a .json file to your computer. Next, if you need to migrate your courses to LearnPress, just go to the LdashPress setting and click the Import option. Choose your exported file and the importer will process and successfully migrate all your LearnDash courses, lessons, topics, and quizzes on your LearnPress website. Next, to migrate from LearnPress to LearnDash website, follow the same step. Go to your LearnPress website and navigate to LdashPress Settings. Next, click the Export button to export the .json file from the LearnPress website. Now, go to LearnDash enabled website and import the .json file from the plugin settings page. That's it. Your all courses will migrate to the LearnDash website. Isn't it great? Ready to experience a seamless LMS migration? Choose LdashPress and unlock the freedom to switch between LearnDash and LearnPress effortlessly. Visit our website at www.wppluginsforyou.com to learn more and start your hassle-free migration journey today.